Hello, here I'm going to show you how to upload and install WordPress themes in case you bought WordPress theme for Code.io. So over here, you go to appearance and you click on this theme. Once you click on theme, it's going to take you to your themes. Alright, this is your theme page. As you can see, these are the themes that we currently have on WordPress. These are free themes that comes with WordPress. Once you install WordPress, you are going to see most of these themes and they are 100% free. You can make use of any of them, except you want to upload. Maybe you bought a theme. Alright, you bought a theme from Code.io or any theme shop, so you can come here and just click on that to install theme. Now when you click on install, it's going to show you more of WordPress themes. Like if you click on add theme, let's scroll down, so you have the option to upload and you have the option to get more access to free themes. You can see these are themes. Right, once you click on install, it's going to automatically install any of these themes. Now mind you, these are not the themes that you are going to upload. This is the one that comes with WordPress, and then they are free. You don't need to pay for it, so you can just go ahead and preview any one of them. Once I click on preview, these are installed. If you want to install them, you can install them. Alright, let me preview one of these themes so you can see. When you click on preview, you're going to open up the theme to see more features about the themes and how the theme is going to operate when you finally install the theme. Okay, so in case this is not what you want, you can just ignore all these and go ahead and upload your own personal theme. As you can see here, it said upload theme. That means you want to upload your own personal theme because maybe you have bought a premium theme. All these are free themes, so premium theme is better off. So once you click on it, it's going to show you this is your window where you will be able to install. Alright, it says if you have theme in zip format, you may install or update it. Alright, so you click on this choose file. It's going to take you to your file that is on your desktop where you save your files. Alright, you're going to have the option to look for the particular theme that you want to install. Alright, so it should be, make sure that the theme you want to install should be in zip format. So all you need to do is to once you see it, you click on the file that you want to install and open. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. Now the file has opened. So once you click on install, it's going to upload and install it. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now if you click on this install now, it's going to upload it and it's going to install it directly. I don't want to install that because I've already installed the themes already. So that's all you need to do in order to install theme. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and there will be more coming after this. Alright, so I will see you in my next class.